Ever get a chocolate cake craving but don't want to deal with a huge cake? That's why I love this small batch chocolate cake recipe. It's rich, moist, and topped with creamy chocolate frosting, and just the right size for when you need a little chocolate fix. Let's get started. Let's prep our dry ingredients. I've got some all-purpose flour. And to that, I'm adding cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Give it a good whisk to combine, then set it aside while we work on the wet ingredients. Now in a separate large bowl, mix together granulated sugar and brown sugar. Then add in milk, oil, an egg, and vanilla extract. Whisk everything together until it's nice and smooth. Time to combine. Gradually mix the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. I like to do this half at a time. Gently fold it in and be careful not to overmix. Overmixing can make the cake dense, and we want this to stay light and fluffy. Now for the secret to an extra moist, rich chocolate cake: hot coffee. Slowly stir it into your batter until it's fully incorporated. Don't skip this step. Hot coffee or even hot water enhances the chocolate flavor and keeps the cake soft. Once your batter is ready, pour it into a greased 6-inch cake pan and bake at 350 for 25 to 30 minutes. Or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. While the cake cools, let's whip up some chocolate buttercream. In a medium bowl, beat softened butter with an electric hand mixer on medium speed until it's smooth and creamy. This should take about a minute or two. Now gradually sift in powdered sugar and cocoa powder, beating on medium-high until it's smooth and fluffy. Next, mix in vanilla extract and milk. Adding more milk, a teaspoon at a time, until you get that perfect, spreadable consistency. Then blend for another minute or two to make it light and fluffy. Once your cake is completely cool, spread the chocolate frosting evenly on top. You'll have enough to go around the sides too, or if you're feeling fancy, you could even slice the cake in half and make it a layer cake. I used an Ateco number 32 tip to add a cute border around mine, which honestly gave me flashbacks to my bakery days. And that's it, a small batch chocolate cake that's rich, moist, and absolutely perfect for satisfying those chocolate cravings. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And check out the full recipe in the description box below. Subscribe for more easy desserts, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.